What if I told you the biggest thief in your life isn't a person? It's the way you spend your time, your money, and ultimately, your wealth. Every single day, without even realizing it, most of us are giving away the three things that matter most. Think about this. How many hours have you scrolled on your phone saying just 5 minutes, but losing hours of your time? How many times have you spent money on things you didn't need, only to feel regret later? That wasted money could have been growing into future wealth. And how many opportunities have slipped away because you said, I'll start tomorrow? The truth is painful. Time once gone never comes back. Money once wasted loses its power. And without discipline, wealth will always remain a dream. But here's the good news. You can change the story starting today. Guard your time like it's gold, because it is. Even one focused hour a day can transform your life. Respect your money. Save before you spend. Small, consistent habits beat one big lucky break. Build your wealth not just with cash, but with skills, discipline, and the courage to say no to distractions. Remember this: your time creates money, your money creates wealth, and your wealth creates freedom. One day you'll look back and either thank yourself for protecting your time, money, and wealth, or regret all the chances you let slip away. The choice is yours, starting today. If this message spoke to you, subscribe now, because your journey to time, money, and wealth freedom begins here.